why is nobody talking about this picture of two young Biafran soldiers, Anozie, who was 14 at that time by the left, and Ejike, 16 by the right? They were having a conversation in Umuahia dialect. During the war, many young boys as low as 10 years old were enlisted into the Biafran army to wage war against the federal troops. Nigerian Biafran war quickened young boys into men who must stand and defend the Biafran land. Many died in the quest of an independent Biafra, while few lives to tell the story. I will be bringing you the story of the Nigerian Biafran war that claimed the lives of more than 3 million Biafran Igbo people.